Hello guys, Rock here with you, and today I'm showing you the way to change the battery in the Honda CR-V key fob. So you see I have metal key fob that's pretty simple without the keyless start and all the things. It's from Honda CR-V 2014, but I believe it will be the same with any Honda of those years. So it's really easy and you don't have to pay for it to any dealership or uh, some repair shops. In this key fob, on the side you see a small gap here, and this is just something you use for unlocking this key, unlocking the battery compartment. So you will need something like a coin for this. You just insert the coin here and you twist it. You carefully twist this coin, and now you see that this lid can be opened, and here you have the battery. This is the CR2032 battery, just like in many other fobs. So it's not that easy to get this battery out, so you will need something like a key or maybe a screwdriver, and you should just carefully get this battery out. When you're inserting the new battery, be careful. You just need to see these letters CR2032. You just need to see it from the upside, right? So you should be careful when you insert this battery. You see the small arrow here, and place it like this so you can press it down and it will be in its place. That's all. Now you'll only need to press this plastic lid and you're good to go. Your key is working. That's all for this video. See you in the next videos.